Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel TechQuest. I'm back with a new video on how to fake location on Snapchat. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you the steps on how you can fake your location on Snapchat. I'll be guiding you throughout this video. All you have to do is watch this video till the end and follow the instructions as guided. So there are many different third-party applications available on Google Play Store in order to fake location on your Snapchat. So I'm going to be showing you how you can fake your location on Snapchat by using fake GPS. So then let's get started. So in order to fake your location on Snapchat, first thing you need to open up your Google Play Store, and on the search box you can type in fake GPS free application. So you can download this fake GPS and then install it, and it will ask you to enable the developer option. So for that, tap on open settings. Moving on, next interface will be directed to the settings page, and on the settings page you need to click on about phone, and after you click on it, next page you'll need to click on build number. You'll need to click on the build number continuously for 7 times in order to enable the developer mode. After completing the process, you need to open the app and navigate to the search bar. Now you need to type in the desired location that you want to fake it on your Snapchat. After you're done with the process, now you'll need to type in your desired location, and once you're done selecting the desired location, and click on play button on the right hand side bottom, and you've changed your location or faked your location. So once you've done with this process, you need to open up your Snapchat application, and then you'll need to enable your location. And as soon as you enable your location on Snapchat, you'll be able to see that you have changed your location or you have faked your location on Snapchat. So that is how you can fake your location on Snapchat using third-party application. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.